Today, we're visiting the historic town of Carigara Leyte to witness the colorful celebration of its 431st Town Fiesta. In this video, we'll take you through the beautifully decorated streets of the town as we enjoy a short ride around the poblacion and spend time capturing the impressive displays, handcrafted decorations, and cultural showcases that make this year's Karsada Gara 2026 truly unforgettable. From the moment we entered the town proper, the festive atmosphere was immediately noticeable. The magnificent welcome arch stood proudly at the entrance, greeting residents, travelers, and returning Carigaranans with a stunning display, colors, and craftsmanship. It serves as the perfect introduction to a celebration that beautifully blends history, culture, creativity, and community pride. After a brief ride through the main streets, we slowed down and stopped at several locations to appreciate the decorations up close. While driving offers a wonderful overview of the celebration, it's during these stationary moments that the incredible artistry and attention to detail truly come to life. This year's Karsada Gara 2026 has transformed the streets into an open-air cultural gallery. Every section features carefully handcrafted installations, artistic displays, colorful ornaments, and creative decorations inspired by Carigara's rich heritage, traditions, and identity. Each display tells a story, inviting visitors to pause, observe, and appreciate the talent and dedication behind every handcrafted piece. One of the most impressive aspects of the celebration is how local craftsmanship takes center stage. Instead of relying mainly on commercial decorations, many of the installations are made using bamboo, wood, woven materials, native fibers, some recycled materials, and other locally sourced resources. These works showcase not only creativity, but also the resourcefulness and artistic skills of the people of Carigara. As we moved from one display to another, every stop revealed something unique. Some featured intricate weaving patterns and traditional motifs, while others showcased large handcrafted sculptures, decorative arches, lanterns, and artistic installations that beautifully combined heritage with modern design. Beyond its beautiful fiesta decorations, Carigara holds a very special place in Philippine history. Founded in 1571, it is recognized as the first town established in Eastern Visayas, making it one of the region's oldest and most historically significant communities. During the Spanish colonial period, Carigara also served as the first provincial capital of Leyte and Samar, highlighting its important role in the early development of the region. These remarkable milestones continue to shape the identity of the municipality today, and many of the artistic displays throughout Karsada Gara draw inspiration from this rich historical legacy. Walking through the decorated streets feels like taking a journey through centuries of culture, resilience, and tradition. Carigara is also widely known for one of its most enduring traditions, the production of its famous handmade sundang, or machetes. For generations, local blacksmiths have crafted these blades using techniques passed down through families, earning Carigara a reputation for producing durable, high-quality, handcrafted sundang that are valued throughout the region. This centuries-old craftsmanship remains one of the town's proudest cultural treasures and reflects the skill, patience, and dedication of its artisans. Of course, no visit to Carigara would be complete without mentioning its beloved local delicacies. The town is well known for its sweet native treats that have become favorites among both residents and visitors. Many travelers make it a point to bring these delicacies home as pasalubong, adding another reason why Carigara continues to be a favorite destination in Leyte. Throughout our visit, one thing became very clear. Karsada ni Gara is much more than a street decoration competition. It is a celebration of identity, creativity, and community spirit. Every handcrafted ornament, decorative arch, cultural symbol, and artistic installation represents countless hours of planning, collaboration, and hard work by local artists, students, volunteers, organizations, and residents who share a common goal: to proudly showcase the beauty of Carigara. The streets were filled with families taking photographs, friends enjoying walks, children admiring the colorful decorations, and visitors stopping to appreciate every display. These simple moments capture the true essence of a town fiesta. The 431st Town Fiesta is not only a celebration of another year in the town's history, it is a tribute to the resilience, faith, craftsmanship, and unity of the Carigara people. Through art, culture, and tradition, the spirit of the fiesta comes alive in every decorated street and every smiling face. For anyone planning to explore Leyte, visiting Carigara during fiesta season offers a truly memorable experience. Whether you're interested in history, architecture, local craftsmanship, food, photography, or simply experiencing the warmth of Filipino hospitality, this historic municipality has something special to offer. As our visit comes to an end, we hope this video has given you a closer look at the beauty and cultural significance of Karsada ni Gara 2026. More than just a collection of beautiful decorations, it is a celebration of the people, history, traditions, and artistic spirit that continue to make Carigara one of Leyte's most remarkable towns. To the local government, organizers, artists, volunteers, participating barangays, schools, and every resident who contributed to making this year's fiesta a success, congratulations, and thank you for sharing your creativity and passion with everyone who visits your town. Thank you for joining us here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more travel features, drone footage, local festivals, and hidden destinations across Leyte, Southern Leyte, and the rest of the Philippines. Until our next adventure, keep exploring, keep supporting local communities, and we'll see you in the next video.